Kids, do you know what time it is?
It's time for the Weekly Update!
Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of December 10th, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. Monday is the final day for the elementary holiday shop. Students can still purchase great gifts for family and friends at the shop. Money can be added to a voucher online or cash can be sent in for the student to use. Wellness Week at the elementary campus will begin on December 13th. Ms. Dvorak will have more information a little later on. Winter break is December 23rd through January 4th. January 17th is Martin Luther King Day. No school. Here's a message from our administration.
Hi PBMA families, it's Mrs. Smith, the elementary school principal. I want to give a huge thank you to all the parents who participated in our parent training this week on how to understand your child's report card and how to academically progress monitor. If you were not able to be there, please email Mrs. Cooper and she can email you the informative PowerPoint that our coaches created. I also have some exciting news in regards to academics continuing over winter break. Every child will be taking home a winter break packet. If your child returns the packet on time when you return from the break, they will receive 10 Maritime dollars. For each grade level, whichever class has the most returned completed packets will win an ice cream sundae party. So I strongly encourage you to work with your child over the break and complete those packets. It will definitely help learning continue. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Dvorak, elementary school counselor. Next week is Wellness Week. Wellness is the act of practicing healthy habits on a daily basis to attain better physical and mental health outcomes, so that instead of just surviving, you're thriving. Wellness takes into account several different areas of your lifestyle, including social connectedness, exercise, nutrition, sleep, and mindfulness, all of which have a great impact on physical and mental health. What is mental health? Mental health is our ability to live fully, engage with others, and respond to challenges. Human's Right Day is today. It's observed every year on December 10. We believe that positive mental health is everyone's right. So, Wellness Week at the elementary campus will include different areas of lifestyle that I mentioned. It will seek to teach kids and staff that making a simple and healthy choice daily will reduce stress, improve positive interactions with their peers, and achieve optimal wellness. We hope you as parents will model these healthy choices at home too. So, next week, Monday, your students, as well as the staff, will be taking the screen-free pledge. This will encourage our kids and families to be more active together rather than watching TV, playing video games, or using social media. This will take self-control, which is our character strength for next week in our Positivity Project. On Tuesday, we're calling it Try It Tuesday. Kids will try some different foods in the cafeteria that are healthy. On Wednesday, we're calling it Rock and Roll Wednesday. So they'll have some games outside with their teacher during recess, and they can also plan some games for the following Wednesday's field day event. On Thursday, we're calling it Veggie Up Thursday. So cafeteria workers will provide your students $5 Maritime money if they're eating their vegetables at lunch. Next Friday will be our attendance dance party. That's with students with perfect attendance and no tardies all year. They'll be invited to a dance party in the cafeteria. Miss Williams, our licensed mental health counselor, and I are excited to promote wellness, both mind and body, next week. We appreciate your support.
Uniform Company is unable to get more PBMA jackets. We have decided to replace them with these sweatshirts. Our website will be updated shortly with the new sweatshirts. Miss Trish visited 2nd grade. The students learned about mealworms, caterpillars, and life cycles. Miss Solozano's class is raising caterpillars. Miss Trish's lesson came at the perfect time to extend their learning. Fifth grade visited Grassy Waters Preserve. Let's hear all about it.
Hello, my name is Mr. Thornton, and I'm a fifth grade science and math teacher. And with me, I have Berlinski. And Berlinski, can you tell me about the field trip you went on yesterday?
Yes, I went dip netting.
What is dip netting about?
Taking a net and trying to catch a fish with a net.
Did you catch anything?
Yes,
What did you catch?
an apple snail.
Yeah, the larva looked a lot like a spider, didn't it? Okay, thank you, sir. Hi, Liliana. How are you today?
Good.
Would you like to tell me about the other part of the field trip?
We went into a swamp and we looked at the plants and different ecosystems.
Okay, can you tell me a little bit about what you experienced and what it was like to be in water up to your neck? It wasn't up to your neck, was it?
No. It was fun
Okay.
because we saw how humans back in the day used to make houses
Okay.
with trees.
Very good. Okay, did you like being there and experiencing?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Liliana. Hi, Elizabeth. Can you tell me a little bit about yesterday's field trip, especially the part where you're doing the swamp tromp? What was important about that?
The swamp trap, when you were walking through it, you could have felt all the logs and all the habitats, and you can see all the trees.
Okay. What was it like walking with a walking stick? Why did you need that?
Cause if we didn't have the walking stick, we could have fallen because there was logs, and if you tripped over them, you will fall face from in the swamp.
Okay. Can you tell me what the importance of this walk was? What was the big thing you learned?
The big thing I learned is about the environment, the habitats, and how the Native Americans survived.
Okay. Very good. Thank you. Okay. Ashley, was there any problem with animals either in the water or in the swamp yesterday?
No, because they had all they needed.
Mm-hmm. Did you see any alligators?
No,
How come?
because they're in a marsh and we went in the swamp.
Okay. What's the difference between a marsh and a swamp?
In the marsh, there's more water, it's more deep, and there's not a lot of trees.
Okay. And so the swamp is
It's full of trees.
full of trees and the water isn't as deep. Great job. All right. I'm just glad everybody came back. Everybody was whole and everybody was wet.
Our cheerleaders are very excited. They will be performing in the Delray Beach Holiday Parade. We are very proud to have them representing PBMA. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.